in Qualtrics, there's a way to figure out the relationship between the responses. Now, in this example, this survey was sent to students to see which place on the Swinburne Hawthorne campus is their favorite place to study in. And I just realized that Hawthorne was spelled wrong. Anyway, we're gonna go to survey and open it up. Now, first, if you want to analyze the data and see the different responses, you could go to data analysis. Ta-da! Now look, you got all the responses to the survey, and you can see the questions here being asked, such as, what course do you study? Are you undergraduate or postgraduate? What course you're? Okay, the survey was asking this just to understand, the demographic of people who are responding to the survey. And there was actually, as a side note, a part of the survey, a map showing the map of the campus. And the students could click on the map or where was their favorite place to study in. Now, you want to understand, for example, when the students were asked, why is it your favorite place to study in? And they answered, it's quiet. You want to see, okay, what percentage of students or how many numbers students answered it's quiet, and what demographic are they from? Are they postgraduate, undergraduate? What course are they studying? We're going to move here in the crosstab IQ, and we're given this window. So you have these different variables. Basically, the questions have been asked in the survey. What's your full name? What's your course year? In the column banner, you want to put the inputs. The inputs are the demographic questions. Okay? Here, we're going to put, let's see, what course you study. Now, the rows are the outputs. For example, the answers given as to why do you like this certain space that you study in. So we're just going to drag that into the rows. And here in the cells, you can change the options to either select the count of answers or the percentage of answers. Now, here, we're given this table. On your left is the output, and towards the top is the inputs. Now, as we read through this, we can understand, for example, that a health science student chose that the space they chosen was because it was quiet and it was easy to access. Compared to a Master of Architecture and Urban Design, they also shared the same response. But there's also another student in the Master in Urban Design that responded that there's natural light. Now, of course, these answers will vary because the places are different, but this is just to give you an idea on how to understand the relationship between who's answering the question and what they answered.